Bondi Beach in Australia. Top view of a cliffed coastline and turquoise waters. Bondi Beach lies approximately 10 kilometers east of downtown Sydney. This wide sandy beach is an icon of Australian beach culture and has been attracting sun lovers and surfers for over 100 years. The jewel of Sydney's laid-back beach lifestyle is home to one of the oldest surf lifesaving clubs in the world and one of Australia's oldest swimming clubs, the Bondi Icebergs. It is a popular destination year-round, and some of Sydney's largest cultural and music events take place here. Bondi Beach is one of nature's best gifts.